Good morning everyone. Sun is rising and it is as nice in the morning as it was yesterday evening. So I am making breakfast right now and then I will get going and hopefully before 11:30 like yesterday morning. So time to eat. It is 8:30, much better than yesterday, and I'm ready to go. So I'll hit the road right now. I've been driving for 5 hours already. I think it's time for a break. Coffee break. Yes, I am prepared for coffee breaks. Thank you for asking. And another surprise on the trail. There's like half a mile of just insane rocks and boulders and a lot of camber sections. Just this first one here is kind of crazy. So like I said, it's half a mile. I walked all the way up. It looks like it's getting better after that, but I am not sure. So again, I don't want to roll the Jeep over, not here. So I'm going to backtrack one more time, but it's part of the game. And yes, I confirm, it's pretty wild out there. PM and I just arrived at the campground, the Red Rock Canyon campground, and I can tell you the rock is really red. Little disappointed today that I couldn't finish the section, the trail, but these boulders and rocks, it was just insane, not worth the risk. So, and I will restart the section tomorrow. So time to relax. That was a long day, and I'll talk to you later or tomorrow. And a little bit of sun control works pretty well. It's very windy.